once again to S.K.M Media Survey. Today we are at Kanda, the premises of TV3, where they are launching Ghana Month. And today I had opportunity to meet they are from all the way from Adan. Yes, Adan Traditional Council also represent. I hardly see my people or our people at programs like this, and today I'm very, very happy to see the people of Adan also represented. So I have here the Queen Mother Naana Awudu Akiti from Kogbo clan. I don't know if I stand to be corrected if I mention the name wrongly, so she's here to correct me on that. Nana, the name, is it correct?
Yes, please. Naana Awudu Akiti, the first. Kogbo Wechoyi Manye.
And I hardly see the people of Ada programs like this. How did you hear programs like this, and were you invited to represent the people of Ada?
Yes, once again I'll say thank you. And yes, we were invited here, officially invited to represent Ada or the Kogbo here today. And in such programs, it's not as if we, the Adans or the Dangbes, we are lost. But at a point in life, if you don't move forward, you would never find an aid for your people. Yes, that's what I have saying.
Are we going to see this thing often, or it will become once and a while? Because it seems Ghana here, we the people of Adan have the biggest festival so far in Ghana here, and it seems the people of Adan also are far behind when it comes to our culture, our tradition and all that. People don't normally know who the people of Adan is. When it comes to programs like this, you see different tribes represented, but the Adan people hardly represent programs like this. What message do you have for the people of Adan in terms of this?
Okay, my few words are Adan, part of the Dangbe, we own a very beautiful culture, and our culture is one of the best in the Dangbe lands. And so I want to take this opportunity to tell my colleagues or Neneme Nanya Adan Traditional Council, okay, I wish they would attend, because one way or the other, this is a way to showcase your heritage and your pride. We are still there, we are not missing, and we are here to stay, and we are coming out in our numbers to represent the Adan or the Dangbe on its own. And once again, we have the most beautiful culture, part of the Dangbe land. We own more heritage than any Dangbe community, I can tell.
So there are a lot of people. I met one lady, she said she don't know where she's from, Adan, but she don't know the clan in which she's coming from. And I asked of her name. She said she's Daiki, and I told her she's from a Kogbo clan. It seems there are a lot of people from Adan that they hardly know the clan or the clan that they come from. So when we talk of Kogbo, who are the Kogbo people? A little education on that, so that those that are watching, if somebody is coming from the Kogbo clan and the names that they are being given to them, if the person knows the name, that, hey, my name is this, that means I'm from Kogbo clan. Kogbo clan. What are the things that the person have to know, and who are the people of Kogbo people as well?
Yeah, we the Kogbo clans, we are the warriors. We are the warriors of Ada, and your name will tell where you are coming from. Your name will speak for you. When you hear the name Daiki, you hear the name Kolite, you hear the name Agude, you hear the name Awudu, you hear the name Made, you hear the name a lot. Koleki, Koleko, Made, Kwo, you could tell whoever is from Ada that you are from Kogbo. And part of Kogbo, we form Ada, and we are the warriors of Ada. We are the letter warriors which were called upon to help fight for the Ada state. Yes. So we are warriors for Ada. So Akovia Kogbo.
What?
Akovia Kogbo. Akovia as in warriors. Yes. So we have a native song. Yes.
So those that are watching this video, especially our people from Ada, who don't normally, we hardly see our people at programs like this. So nihane won wa push wa he ke wo program bi go keke ni hu man na wa ko cha ko ma dress wa dressing ke ba ne ni na kan. Oh, these are the people of Ada, and these are the festivals that they celebrate. These are the things that they do. What message do you have for the people of Ada, especially the traditional council and our chief and our queen in Ada as whole? What message do you have for them?
Once again, the little advice I have is we have more to do, we have more to give Ada, and we own one of the beautiful heritage in the Dangbe land. I pray we all come together to push the agenda of better Ada, better Dangbe, and better Ada again. So that is what we have, and we have to protect it. Can Adanli. Yes.
Nana Openo Konko Tumunyu. So this is Naana Awudu Akiti the first from Kogbo clan. She is the one that came to represent the entire Ada, So I'm very, very happy to see something like this. Nana Openo Aweka Okowo Tumunyu. Openo. Thank you.